An alien. The aliens made it, of course they did. Alright, it's a new day, it's a new place. We've just arrived at Kingsford Forest. I'm not sure if I'll be having a hammock camp, tenting, or making my own shelter again. We'll see as the day goes on. I've left my bag in the car so I can just have a nice stroll around again. It's really early anyway, I don't even think it's 12 o'clock yet. So enjoy a nice walk without the bag. See what we can find. I had such a peaceful night's sleep last night in that little shelter I made at the beautiful wire forest. All these trees about, it's looking quite hammocky so far, but we're yet to explore half of it. Another great hammock spot right here. Just going to be heading down there to Val's Rock. It looked good in the pictures. Let's see what it looks like in real life. Trees don't give a fuck blocking your way. I shall pass through. You cannot stop me. I've just got to the top of Val's Rock. I think everyone else is at the bottom. Whoa. This is a beautiful chill spot. Shame there's not two trees there, or we'll use hammock for sure. Whoa. We'll go down and see it properly, but nice to get the view off with all this graffiti over it. Val's Rock is pretty sweet. Let's try to get down there. Beautiful looking mushrooms. Oh damn, shame this bit isn't just a little bit wider. Could have had the tent right here. Val's Rock, pretty impressive. There's another one called Nanny's Rock yonder that way. So we shall take a hike on over, see what it's looking like. just on our way down to the ground. We can see it from the bottom. And on our way over to Nanny's Rock. Here's Val's Rock from the bottom. We can go round and up. This is the rock with no name. I think the other big one's still way over there somewhere. If it's big, I'm not sure. Not found any wild camping spots yet, but I don't think this is the typical wild camping place to come. But it's nature, I will find a place. This one looks better. I believe this is called Nanny's Rock. Might be able to go up as well. Cool. An alien. The aliens made it, of course they did. I told you they were real. Let's go inside. This is awesome. Been in something like this as well called, I can't remember what it's called. This is campable though. Have I just found my spot? Camping in a little rock cave. I think I might have. Something different. What's with all these faces? I really like the look of that little cave to sleep in tonight. I was thinking more to the hammock side of camping tonight because of all the trees and forests around. But I like to try new things. Never slept in a little cave before, so why not try it tonight? If nothing else pops up along the way, that'll be my home for the night. I would have probably checked around and see what it's about for tomorrow, but I'm going to see my friend tomorrow. It's been like a little Sunday tradition for the past couple of weeks. I'm inviting me over for dinner, which is really sweet. So just a new place. I can't believe I've never been here before. But there's loads of these little places around that I don't know of. I'm just going to have to get searching. If there was a place for my tent, I believe this place would be it. But I think I'm settling on the cave. See, I told you it could be a good wild camping spot. Could have had a neighbour if I came up here. Just gone and got my bag ready for the night now. Not sure if I should go to old Valve's cave and cook up some halloumi first, since that was such a nice chill spot. It's just gone 4 now, so I've got about 2 hours. Excited. First little mini cave camp. Although it just popped up, I wasn't sure what I was going to do tonight. Tent, hammock, or build my shelter. Turns out neither. It's going to be caving tonight. My cave is just down there somewhere, but still only about 4:20. Whoop whoop. So time to get a little bit of halloumi in me, fuel me up. I've been on little energy bars today and water. I kept seeing some couple put down stuff like this, and it is just a little trail mark for them so they don't get lost, which is really nice. I don't mind getting lost. If I get lost, I get lost. I'll find my way back eventually. I think I've been calling that rock the wrong name. I think I've been calling it Val's Rock. It might be Vales, but either or, it's a beautiful rock. As soon as we was heading over there, you got to climb over a little fence, and about 5 people were just jumping over it. So I've let them have it, and I've come to the No Name Rock to have my halloumi. So I have some little halloumi chunks. Got a little bit more here. Love cooking with a view. Even if it is just trees surrounding me. And that will do for me nicely. I have already munched some from it, I couldn't wait. That was so tasty, and it was just halloumi. But it's about just gone 5 now. So I've just been chilling on this lovely rock for a bit. And I'll go to my cave house, set up my air mat and sleeping bag. Hopefully no one disturbs me. And if they do, I'll just say, come on in and join me. There's plenty of room. I think everyone might be gone home now, so it might just be me and nature, which is what I love. So, onwards and upwards to the little cave. We have made it back to this beautiful little cave, which is my home for the night. This is going to be such a lovely night in here. Me, my little alien friends. A glorious night while camping in a cave, why not? And here's my little message that everyone else has made one. Just love the world, alright? And the world will love you. If I was a rock, I think I'd be this guy. Hey. I absolutely love this. It's really warm in here. It's so calming. This is going to be a sweet new experience for me tonight. What a sweet spot. I'm loving it. I'm loving this no tent camping. Didn't even mean for this to happen. I think I could live in the caves. Do me nicely. I feel like one of them people that are just standing on their porch, gazing into the world. Well, that's enough of gazing. Back into my beautiful cave. Yeah, you heard it. My cave. And it is Mr. Grey. Oh, this is going to be beautiful. I was about to say, where will I be tomorrow? But I know where I'll be. I'll be in my little hut I've made. In my little woodlands. Again, I call it mine, it's not. I'm just using it for the time being. They won't mind. Don't need the councils. Here's my lovely view right now. That is pitch black pretty much. Still digging it. Went for a nice easy chicken and vegetable soup. Something light, because that halloumi filled me the fuck up. Cave life. It's pretty sweet. Just using my little fire bricks for a nice little fire tonight. Don't need nothing major. Does me well, dances beautifully, very hypnotic. Oh, this is going to warm the cave up so much. It's already warm. Love being in this cave tonight. Such a cool new feeling. I can't remember the last time I went in a tent. Probably when I went camping with my friend near what's it called? The Ridgeway? No, the Roaches. I'm going to enjoy a nice sleep in this cave tonight. It's already been so peaceful. And tomorrow I shall go back to my little hut and live my normal life in the woods.